First of all, before I apply all the treatments, I'm gonna use this Ready to White Lightening Foam Cleanser to clean my face. So next, I'm gonna be using this white boosting cream after I finished off with my mask sheet that I had on earlier. And this is the key, you can't miss out. I always use this so that my skin will be perfect in any occasion. Lastly, the Ready to White Milky Tone Up Eye Serum. This one helps lighten up my under eye areas for that radiance. And after I finish shooting tonight, I'll be using the Ready to White Milky White Cream Pack so that my skin will still look bright and glowing. Now that you guys know my secret to whitening skin, I hope you find it helpful. I have to leave for work now. Bye guys!